Wantan mee is a beloved dish among Malaysians, and for good reason. Who doesn't love these springy egg noodles served with leafy green vegetables and delicious dumplings? Welcome to the golden time in New Ocean World Fine Food City, where diners can feast on this classic dish, Hong Kong style. This cozy eatery has a rustic heritage shophouse design, with its interior serving as a throwback to the glory days of Shanghai. The Golden Time has a wide variety of delectable street food style offerings on its menu. Sink your teeth into the tender beef stew noodles or try the crispy cuttlefish cake, a great choice for a shared appetizer. More adventurous eaters may like to try the duck kidneys with Chinese pickled vegetables. And you can't go wrong with the delightful chicken wings in Swiss soya sauce. The shark's fin soup here is also warm and nourishing, but don't worry, it's not made from actual shark's fin. Of course, the highlight here is the signature Wantan mee. The delicious dumplings are made with full-sized prawns. Wash it all down with the popular luohan chrysanthemum tea. The Golden Time is certainly a wonderful and wantan-full place for a satisfying meal. For the full story and more, visit FMT and follow our socials.